Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is... And if I hadn't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. And then we can proceed with this next show. Let's get it popping. What's good, y'all? It's your boy BakPakVal back at it again with another episode as pertains to anything and everything travel related. Yeah. Ow. Pardon y'all. My mouth kind of hurts. I had to get my wisdom teeth removed all the way up at Puerto Plata as I'm in Santo Domingo right now as we currently speak. Yeah, that was pretty grueling. No, it wasn't grueling at all. It's just the after effect. It's starting to make my mouth feel sore a little bit, but they did do a fantastic job. Wisdom teeth removals are what, 40 bucks, just to let you guys know, around that price. Okay, so now let's get back to this YouTube video. Currently we are in one of the more pretentious neighborhoods. You could argue it's the most pretentious neighborhood in all of Santo Domingo. It's Los Cacicazgos. You know, I talk and I rave about Piantini, but honestly Los Cacicazgos is up there with it. You can argue it's probably ahead of Piantini. So we are in, what's this place called? Yo, I'm not good with Roman numerals, y'all, so don't kill me. But we're in Junior VII Tower.
Stupid.
Is it VII? Is it like 21 or something like that? Yo, I'm
Stupid.
not a Roman numerals expert, so don't kill me. However, I'm gonna show you guys where we're at right now, at least the outside of the building. Alright, y'all. So this is the lobby, as you can see. Quite places, don't you agree? Somewhat posh. So now, next stop, we're about to go to my living space and see how that's looking like. Miguel isn't here at the very moment. He went out to grab a bite to eat. So it should provide, I guess, a tad bit more clarity on me showing you guys the B-roll footage. If Miguel does come, I'm definitely gonna have him say hi to the camera. Shout out to my guy Miguel, by the way. Alright, so next up, we're about to head to the gymnasium. And I believe that should be on the what? That's on the very top floor. The 14th floor, if I'm not mistaken. Valentine about to get his freaking iron on, you dig me? So, my thoughts on the gym is that it's actually pretty nice. Like if I were to live here, let's just say hypothetically, I would still need a gym, being that this gym only provides what, 30 to 40% of what I actually need to work out. However, you still get a good workout in. And the fact that you're 14 stories high, overlooking, like, it's damn near panoramic view of the whole entire city, it makes it all the more inspiring when working out. So yeah, good job. Yo, all y'all need to do for the pool is just to come along in the nighttime with, you know, significant other or something like that. Trust me, the vibes are unreal. I wish I had a companion with me right now so we could just enjoy some wine and overlook the city view. Like, oh man. Like, the pool area is a lot more intimate than the actual apartment itself. How does that make sense? How does that make sense? Now, is it just me or y'all see what I'm talking about? Because if I'm just rambling, just let me know. This Airbnb so far, and I'm just talking about the whole entire apartment experience, has been a 10 out of 10. I can't even lie to y'all. A 10 out of 10. I'm gonna post the link to this Airbnb down below. But after I book my spot again for next month, all right? Because I'll be damned if I put the information for the Airbnb spot and then y'all take it for the times that I want to be on vacation. Because next time I'm here, I'm most definitely booking this spot again. Most definitely booking this spot again. The only thing that upsets me is that I'm not spending as much time as I want here. That's the only thing that breaks my heart. All right, so now, I think it's only appropriate that we wrap things up, don't you think? Which one of y'all stayed in Santo Domingo before? And yes, I'm saying Santo Domingo only. I don't care if it's Santiago or Punta Cana. How was your stay in Santo Domingo? Where did you stay in Santo Domingo? And how did you like it? As a matter of fact, I only want to hear breathtaking experiences, okay? What Airbnb did you purchase? Or hotel, I guess, or hotel. But what did you purchase for your stay that had you just completely like, oh man, I don't want to leave the crib? Drop the names below. And at the very least, if what you say sounds interesting, I will most definitely make a video about the Airbnb that you mentioned. How does that sound? That sounds good. Why am I asking y'all? Once again, it's your boy BakPakVal back at it again with another video as it pertains to anything and everything travel related. Thank y'all for your support in watching this video. Till next time, I'm out.